In primetime news this evening, tragedy in Lilliput, St. James as 2 children died in a house fire. But where were the adults? Smartphone culture angers family of deceased teen whose final moments were captured and posted on social media. And outrage over controversial police killing in Greenwich Town.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts on the emails sent by former PNP Senator A.J. Nicholson to Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.